Okay, this is a primary 5 mathematics question based on ratios. The question says, Anne, Ben and Carl had some stickers. The ratio of the number of stickers Carl had to the total number Anne and Ben had was 9:8. Carl had 3 times the number of stickers as Anne and 16 more than Ben. So question number 1 is, what is the ratio of the number of stickers Anne had to the number of stickers Ben had to the number of stickers Carl had? So let us approach this question by drawing a model. I will be using the initials of the names for illustration purposes. So Anne and Ben have 8 units, whereas Carl had 9 units. So 8 units and 9 units. And in total is 17 units. Okay, so to find the ratio between the stickers Anne, Ben and Carl have, we need to find out how many units out of the 8 units here is the amount Anne has. So the question says that Carl had 3 times the number of stickers Anne had. So to find the number of stickers Anne had, we divide the number of stickers Carl had, which is 9 units, by 3, which is 3 units. So out of the 8 units here, Anne had 3 units of stickers. And the rest, which is 5 units, is the number of stickers that Ben had. Okay, so now let us write the number of stickers Anne, Ben and Carl had in terms of units. Anne has 3 units of stickers, Ben has 5 units of stickers, and Carl has 9 units. So the ratio between the 3 would be 3:5:9. Okay, so we're done with the first question. The second question is, how many stickers did they have altogether? Okay, so we know that they had 17 units of stickers in total. So the question says that Carl had 16 more stickers than Ben. So now let us compare Carl's stickers and Ben's stickers. Carl has 9 units of stickers and Ben has 5 units of stickers. So the difference is 4 units. So this 4 units is the number of stickers that that Carl has more than Ben, which is 16 stickers. So if 4 units is equal to 16, 1 unit is equal to 16 divided by 4, which is 4 stickers. So to find the total number of stickers that they had, we need to find the value of 17 units. So 17 units is equal to 4 times 17, which is 68 stickers. So those of you students who like to use the model approach, let me show you how this is done. So we need to compare the number of stickers Ben has and the number of stickers Carl has. So Ben has 5 units of stickers, whereas Carl has 9 units of stickers. So the question says that Carl had 16 more stickers than Ben. So these 4 units is equal to 16 stickers. So therefore, you derive that 4 units is equal to 16 stickers. And you can go on to find the value of 17 units, which is 68 stickers.